This is Mez. Mez likes to cook and Mez likes to fish. In today's Catch and Cook, Mez turns to the dark side and spears her first tuna. And then she shows us two of her awesome recipes, Tuna Tartare and Tuna Poke Bowl, one of which got featured in the Vic Fisheries calendar. Check out the video, and if you haven't already, like and subscribe.
Okay. The story goes, heading towards the crayfish, set on crayfish, not looking for tuna. Tuna were out of our mind until, what was it, 10:30. We're calling it 10:30. And then I accidentally saw some tuna. We lost them. We found them, we lost them. Got a kid on. And then lost them again.
You got seasick.
Don't get proper seasick. And then I swam towards them as quick as I could with my little fins.
We lost Mez.
They lost me, completely lost. And I dived on a fish that I saw from the surface. And then there was loads of fish, and then I shot one.
And now she's a Spearo. Tuna
What did
Spearo.
I say? Oh, this is actually alright.
Yeah, today we're in Mez's shed kitchen.
Did not show all the grimness. We could go this way. How about we go this way?
I like the background, bro.
I don't like the background!
Oh, there we go. What are we cooking?
We're cooking poke bowl and tartare.
So we're gonna do some filleting of fish, but it's way too bright and it's way too windy. But we're gonna try anyway.
Okay, we're doing tartare first. This recipe in the Vic Fisheries calendar.
Oh.
Takes me ages to find every time.
Whatever. She's bookmarked the page. She says, oh, I don't know where it is.
I actually don't know.
Fuck, I'm gonna try and get on the fucking Vic page. Who's got the Cray page?
Not you.
Yeah. Who's that? Scott McKenzie. Whatever, mate. Yeah, there she is. There's Mez. It's Mez's recipe.
And then they didn't put a photo. But it's okay. We're using the lovely belly bit of the tuna because it's the fatty, delicious bit. It's really creamy and it'd be really good raw. Oh, look at that. It's like Wagyu. Wagyu of the sea. That's not even the good bit. That's the good bit. Into the waspy tuna. The lovely waspy tuna. Go a bit of olive oil, bit of MSG, bit of fun. Like snazzy salt, it's got to be snazzy salt, doesn't have to be snazzy, but it's fun. Give it a little mix, and it goes in the fridge. Ready.
Really?
Yeah. It'll sit for a bit, get nicer. Cornichons, onions, anchovies, something else, maybe some MSG if we're lucky.
Have you actually got MSG?
Hell yeah.
Yeah, nice. Fuck yeah.
And yeah, it'll be amazing. Yeah, there's nothing. You just have to cut everything really little. It's such an effort, but it's really good. It's really good. And I don't have any bickies to eat it on, so we're just gonna have to spoon our tartare into our faces.
Oh, so every spoonful?
Everything's everything's got everything in it. Every spoonful's got everything in it. So it can't be too massive. Then you get everything in your mouthful. You've got quite a few small ingredients, so they have to be.
You want to stick it all in your mouth?
You want to get it all in your mouth at once. So you've got to get a bit of caper, a bit of cornichon, a bit of whatever the other things are I'm putting in it. Spring onions.
Nice.
Shallots.
Nice.
etc. Put it in a little bowl, and then you turn it over, and it won't work because we're filming it. It will come. Gravity will have something to say. Usually works. Here you go. Gorgeous. The point of plating it up nicely is because it looks like I know what I'm doing. Yeah. have a little divot. A little bit of Worcestershire. And some Tabasco. You break your egg into it, break your egg into the meat, and then you mix all your little bits into it. Doesn't matter, just mix it all up. Mix it all together. And then you get your random ass Vicky from 6 days ago that's somehow not stale. And you put it on.
Delicious. Alright, I'm gonna grab in your one.
Delicious. That big.
It's slightly creamy.
Slightly creamy.
I feel like it needs chili. Oh no, that's the...
It's got a bit of Tabasco, but
Yeah.
not enough. Get off.
What?
Make your own love.
That's good. Alright, that's meal one of the catch and cook. What part of the tuna have you got?
I've got the bit underneath. Yeah, bit underneath the belly. Above the belly.
Top point.
No,
The top point?
like the loin, the bottom bit that's above the
Oh.
belly. You know, the bit that you like cut away from the belly?
Is that the good
The
bit?
awkward. No, it's the awkward bit that's annoying to use in any other thing than poke. Because poke, you just like cut it the way you want it. You kind of want like thin strips, sort of, so they're like easy to pick up with choppies. This is just the marinade for the fish. There's about 1/4 cup of light soy sauce, the best kind, and about a tablespoon of vinegar, apple cider, rice wine, whatever, doesn't really matter, and a teaspoon or a bit more of sesame oil. Alright, my gorgeously cut tuna. Goes in. Oh shit, no, I didn't put all the good stuff in.
What'd you forget?
I didn't put the
a marinade.
ginger and the garlic in.
It's a marinade.
Yeah, but it's gotta have the ginger.
Carrying on with Mez's catch and assemble. What do we got there?
Mandolin cucumbers, julienne carrots, and some snazzily cut avocado, and some tuna.
Nice.
Yeah, because it's such a cool colour. This is the bestest tuna oil ever.
Tuna oil.
Tuna oil.
Love it.
Chili oil. Imagine. Some like gotcha tuna oil. Cucumber, carrot, avocado, marinated tuna, marinated 6-day aged tuna, and some rice and some chili oil.
Alright, we've got Mez's poke bowl. Is this featured anywhere?
No, I think so.
No.
It's on my Instagram.
It's not bad though, but like every other white
It's
person,
not bad.
like all my white friends, she thinks she can eat rice with chopsticks.
What do you eat, Russ?
Fucking spoon.
Shit.
Alright, let's have a look. I shall be the judge of that. It's good. Fuck, that chili was hot as fuck.
Yeah, I put lots on because you were complaining about the other one not having enough heat.
I thought, fuck. Alright, that is Mez's Catch and Assemble. You can follow her at, what is your Instagram?
Miss Fletcher, I think.
Mez Fletcher, Instagram, follow. Hopefully we've seen how Mez just assembles her food. She'll eventually cook for us.
Maybe. I don't know.